And we're checking back in now with Mike Eppel over at 680 News for the latest in business news. Mike.
Hey, morning, Tammy. You know, the interesting thing about one of the interesting things about the weekend with President Donald Trump and the dispute with the NFL, who didn't chime in on this issue at the big games yesterday, was the sponsors. The NFL, of course, is a multi-billion-dollar business. And in the past, we've heard some of the corporate sponsors chime in on various issues that the league has. Not in this case. The only company to do so was Under Armour, and they sort of put out a milquetoast statement about this dispute between the U.S. president and the league, and even that led to both sides from the political spectrum pointing out, you know, boycott the NFL and boycott the sponsors, and it just, you know, kind of escalated from there. But again, when we're talking about politics crossing over into the world of sports, it sometimes comes back to dollars and cents. And so far, the league sponsors not really trying to get involved. Speech by Bank of Canada Governor Stephen Poloz this week in Newfoundland coming up on Wednesday could give some future direction for interest rate policy. Bank of Canada was criticized not in the way it didn't telegraph how they raised interest rates earlier this month. Poloz might be saying to currency traders and anybody with a mortgage might be looking at another interest rate hike later this year. Update on the Florida orange juice crop post-Hurricane Irma. Reports indicating that almost in some areas, 100% of the Florida orange juice crop was destroyed. So already some talk that's going to hit us in the pocketbook with higher orange juice prices at grocery stores later this year and into next. Markets starting the week slightly lower. And TSX ended a 6-day winning streak on Friday with just a slight decline, but we'll see if things get back into the positive there. Dollars just above 81 cents and oil holding above $50 per barrel. We'll send it back to the studio.